Allstate roof claim features, strengths, weaknesses. Allstate's roof claim process hinges on a standard homeowner's insurance policy with coverage for perils like wind, hail, and fire. Key features include claim filing via online portal, phone, or agent, deployment of adjusters for damage assessment, and potential use of preferred contractor programs for repairs. Eligibility depends heavily on the policy's specific language, deductible amounts, and the documented cause of damage aligning with covered perils. Allstate's strengths lie in its widespread availability and established network. The company boasts a generally user-friendly claims process, supported by technology for efficient claim submission and tracking. Their financial stability assures payouts on valid claims, and their agent network provides personalized support, which many policyholders find reassuring. On the other hand, weaknesses often involve coverage disputes, particularly concerning wear and tear versus storm damage, leading to claim denials. Customer reviews frequently cite challenges with adjuster communication, the speed of claim processing, and perceived lowball offers. Their preferred contractor programs, while convenient, may not always offer the best pricing or quality compared to independent local contractors. Allstate roof claim suitability largely depends on individual needs and risk tolerance. Those prioritizing ease of access, technological convenience, and a reputable insurer with a strong financial backbone might find Allstate a good fit. However, individuals with a history of complex claims, residing in areas prone to severe weather with older roofs, or those who prioritize getting the absolute best price for repairs regardless of time involved, might want to carefully weigh the potential drawbacks. It's crucial to scrutinize your policy details, understand the exclusions, and document any roof damage meticulously with photos and videos prior to filing a claim. Obtaining independent assessments from trusted roofing contractors can also provide leverage in navigating potential disputes. Ultimately, a successful Allstate roof claim requires a proactive approach, thorough understanding of policy coverage, and diligent documentation throughout the process. Carefully consider alternative options and weigh Allstate's strengths against its weaknesses relative to your specific circumstances before committing.